Today, we are going to learn about an interesting topic called friction in daily life and how to reduce friction. Have you ever noticed that when you slide a book on a table, it does not move freely? Or when you apply brake on a bicycle, it slowly comes to stop. These everyday actions happen because of a force known as friction. As you already know, friction is a force that opposes the motion between two surfaces in contact. It plays an important role in our daily activities like walking, writing, holding objects, etc. But sometimes too much friction make our work harder and waste energy. So today we are going to explore more about this phenomenon. So let's start the class. Do you ever think about this situation? How does a matchstick catch fire when it is struck? When we strike a matchstick on the rough surface of the matchbox, it catches fire because of friction. Rubbing the matchstick against the rough surface produces heat energy. This heat is enough to ignite the chemical present on the head of the matchstick and it starts burning. This is the second situation of friction in our daily life. The glass doesn't slip and fall because of the friction between our fingers and the surface of the glass. The next situation is, why do vehicle tires wear out? This is mainly due to the friction between the rough surface of the road and the tire. In this situation, vehicles can move on the road without slipping. This is mainly due to the friction. Friction provides a gripping force. Then the next situation is walking without slipping. This is due to the friction between the sole of the shoe and the ground. Friction has many advantages as well as disadvantages. Do you ever think about the wear and tear occur in our knees? It's mainly because of the friction between the bones and the knee joint. Here, in this situation, it is possible to fall slowly using a parachute. This is mainly due to the friction between the air and the parachute. Now we are talking about the disadvantages of friction. First one is wear occurs at the contact surface. The smooth movement between machine part is obstructed. Energy loss occurs. High temperature is generated. Noise is produced. And the last one, the speed of the moving object is reduces. Now let's talk about the advantages of friction. The first benefit of friction is it enables movement, then creates fire, holds object. It can shapes object and secure objects. Now we are going to study about the methods to reduce friction. Here in this caroms board we are applying powder. By polishing or using powder, the friction can be removed. And in this next case, in machineries, we use ball bearings. The friction can be reduced by using these ball bearings. These are steel balls placed between two rotating surfaces. Now, another method to reduce friction is using the tractors and using tires under the bags. It is helpful in easy movement of the weighted trolley bags. Now let's study about the major thing that reduce the friction in car, airplanes, ships, rocket, etc. This is known as streamlining. This means an object with smooth pointed shape so that it can move easily through air or water without friction.